So how do you use the Taptic Time on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So there are more things you need to know about it. First of all, when you go to the watch settings and check out the clock section, you have a few things, right? So for example, you have the chimes, which is like every hour is going to notify you about that. But you can see below that when this is on, selected sounds and haptics are going to be played at every hour, right? So you can know about like every hour, even if you don't look at your wrist, because the chimes are going to be turned on, right? Obviously, you can make your Apple Watch in the silent mode, so the sound will not be turned on, only the haptics or taptics, right? So that's one thing. But outside of that, we also have the Taptic Time, right? For that to work, you need to make sure that the speak time is not set to always speak, because when you do that, the Taptic Time will be grayed out and it will not work. So make sure that it's with the speak time is turned off or set to control with silent mode. But okay, when the Taptic Time can be turned on like that, right? And when you turn it on, you have three options. You have the digits, tens, and Morse code. And these are like the different methods for displaying or letting you know about the time without looking at the watch, only by haptics. So as you can see, there are three ways or three options for the Taptic Time. It's the digits, ters, and Morse code. And each one is kind of different. Like the digits one will basically long tap you for every 10 hours and a short tap for each following hour. Then it will long tap for every 10 minutes and a short tap for each following minute. So once you figure it out, you'll know that you'll be able to understand those like haptic touches or the vibrations on the wrist to know about the time. The other option is a bit different because with the ters, your Apple Watch will long tap for every 5 hours and then a short tap for the remaining hours. And also, it will long tap for each quarter of hour. Then there is the Morse code, which is like the last option, and it will just tap each digit in the Morse code. So you need to understand that in order to just know the time using this, right? So personally, I would go with the digits. It's like the easiest to understand if you ask me, right? And that's like how you can turn it on, right? So let me know in the comments below if you manage to set it up, right? Make sure that you get the most out of your Apple Watch. And in case of any questions, just leave them below. I'll definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.